Hello, Peter Flan back. Just checking in with you to say hello and share a couple of thoughts with you. First one is on investment. Some of you are happy to achieve consistent performance over time and to ensure that you minimise volatility. Others of you, you're quite keen to maximise that end result over time. You're therefore happy to endure more volatility as you proceed along the way. If you really want to know how to improve your performance, a couple of things you can do. One is you need to have less fixed interest in cash over the long term and more exposure to growth assets like shares and property. In the shorter term, it's probably good to have lots of cash and to average down on those existing investments that you already have. Another way that you can improve your performance significantly is on a more intangible level. Yes, I know if it's something I can give you that is on a tangible level, it's much easier for me to deliver it and it's much easier for you to receive it. However, a good deal of our opportunity exists on a more intangible level. Let me explain. With regards to investment, it seems that the returns that people achieve over the long term are partly a function of what we call the strategic asset allocation, the mix between growth assets and income assets such as cash and fixed interest. Another variable seems to be how much people know. In other words, the more they know, the better their results over the long term. With regards to wise planning and what we do, as you know, if you're a member of the Money Matrix program, we spend a reasonable amount of time attempting to upskill our clients so that they have a better understanding of what we're doing behind the scenes and also so that they as clients can have some input. So for you, if you feel that you'd like to get better performance, don't of course base that on the fact that markets have risen or fallen in the short term. That's a simple function of market related influences. It is about positioning. And one of the things that you can do is you can upskill. If you're in the Money Matrix program, then you will have already had some information and you'll know about the 4-step process. If you're not familiar with those 4 steps, you may want to go and review your material and have a look at those. That's the starting point. From there, it is about the business accumulator model and you developing your own model. And so what we're saying is that the business accumulator model is the core. If you're to use it, it's difficult to go too far wrong. Over time though, you may want to add in other characteristics and other ways of making sure that you minimise downside loss and maximise upside return. That is why on level 2 of the Money Matrix program, we introduce you in more depth to the business accumulator model and also provide you with some other reading that is useful. There are a number of books you can read, and I know some of you like to just read the book so that you get an instant fix. Certainly information is good, however experience and information go hand in hand, and the two together offer you a significant way forward that will be beneficial. So the more you know, the more you upskill, the more you engage with the investment side of the Money Matrix, the better your returns are going to be over time. Perhaps on another note, as we close off, on a more intangible level, how well do you engage with those tools in the Money Matrix program? Well, if you use 1 or 2 of them, then you will make some progress, and that progress will be more advanced than what would otherwise be the case. If you're engaged with all of the tools, your progress will be significantly greater. You may recall from a previous message, that is how you really get the power. Engage with all of the tools within the Money Matrix program. Together they represent a very powerful approach for you that you can adopt to help you to make more money with less time and effort, so that you can live your life the way you want. I'll be in touch again soon, but don't forget, if we can help you in some way, please do send in an email, give us a call. I look forward to catching up with you again soon.